My wife Samita Vidani, she helps me in my business development and she is a tutor. I have one son Hardik, 6 years old, and one daughter Lisha, 2.5 years, 2.5 साल की है. My birthplace is Nagpur, so I'm born and brought up in Nagpur. My hobbies are watching movies, reading, and watching educational videos. Activities, basically, I love to go to social gatherings, and I generally spend my time to study business models. My firm name is Safe Investment. We basically create wealth via equity mutual funds and cover risk via insurance. So I have been into this business since 4 years, but my total experience is more than 10 years in this field. So before that, I used to work in S&P Capital IQ. Now it is known as S&P Global Intelligence. So I was their analyst and I worked in global trends. My education is I'm BCom and MBA from Nagpur University, RTMNU. And my skills are building relationships and analyzing the different financial instruments for our clients. So I have organization like Sampark and ECI for business purpose, and member of Sindhu Yuva Force for social work, and MP is my professional network. So I have written goals. First, I'm going for personal, like एक मेरे को लग्जरी टूर करना है यूरोप का बाय 2026, और दूसरा जो गोल है वो थोड़ा सा सोशल टाइप है. 2028 तक मुझे एक ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन खोलनी है जिसमें मैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट कुछ अनस्किल्ड लेबर जो पे नहीं कर सकते उनको थोड़ी सी स्किल डेवलपमेंट में हेल्प कर सकूं. एंड देन माय प्रोफेशनल गोल्स आर लाइक आई एम गोइंग इन रिवर्स मैनर. I have one group of educational regarding financial instrument. वहाँ पे अभी मेरे 300 मेंबर हैं, मैं उसको 500 तक ले जाना चाहता हूँ. दूसरा, वो ले जाने से जो मेरे आज HNI क्लाइंट्स 10 हैं उसको मैं 20 तक ले जाना चाहता हूँ. और जो मेरा AUM आज अराउंड 12 CR है उसको 50 प्लस CR 60 CR तक 2025 तक टारगेट कर रहा हूँ. Accomplishment, in 2019 I have started, 2021 I have reached more than 100 investors, and 2021 October ये AUM जो है मेरा अंडर सेट अंडर मैनेजमेंट 10 CR क्रॉस कर गया था. And this is personal, not for clients. From 5 years I am investing and trading, so वहाँ पे मेरा जो CAGR है 24% प्लस है, which is not easy to get consistently. My best customers are who want additional income, who want retirement fund, or who are not happy with their old financial planners, so they can contact me. Example of referrals that will work for me are like who want to meet their financial goals, post retirement goals, or for their child's education, and who are very much interested to get educated about equities and mutual fund or wealth creation financial instruments. My best complementing business partners are CA, CWA, CS, loan consultant, tax consultant, or retired bankers or retired insurance officers. They can connect me to the best of the clients from their side. And customer types I would like to have are high net worth individuals. We generally consider those who can invest more than 25 lakhs as a high net worth individuals. Doctors, क्योंकि वो काफ़ी बिजी रहते हैं तो फोकस नहीं कर पाते हैं फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स पे, तो उनके लिए मैं रेफरेंसेस चाहता हूँ. Retired government employees, as they need, as they have lump sum money and they want regular income from that lump sum amount. And small and medium enterprises, there is a category in mutual fund, liquid fund, जिसमें सेविंग अकाउंट या FD की तरह ओवरनाइट भी अमाउंट में वेल्थ क्रिएशन अमाउंट में इंटरेस्ट मिलना शुरू हो जाता है. थैंक यू. हाँ, मेरा मेमोरी हुक, पहला तो मेरा यही है कि कीप योर फाइनेंशियल ड्रीम्स सेफ विद अस. आपके जो भी फाइनेंशियल ड्रीम्स हैं वो हमारे साथ सेफ रहेंगे. और दूसरा है, अगर कोई आज पेड़ की छाया में बैठा है तो इस वजह से कि किसी ने बहुत पहले एक पेड़ लगाया होगा। आप रिलेट कर सकते हैं कि आप अपनी आने वाली जनरेशन के लिए थोड़ा थोड़ा करके बीज बोएं ताकि उन्हें वो पैसे का समुंदर मिले। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, Anil. It was very nice.